I'm making this video because I just got a new puppy and her name is Jessie and I want everyone to see her. She's a pit bull. Jessie! Okay, she likes this. She brought it here from my sister's room. Aw, look at her.